Cheese. Cheese. You know, after working on that truck and rolling on that truck and going through other different things, it was really nice. I didn't realize I didn't actually want to be sitting out here on the field, but since I was asked to bring the kids out to the, I thought he was going to be playing basketball, but looked like he's into football now. But it was really refreshing, more than I realized, because I'm usually working and so busy that I don't get rec time, but this was more refreshing than I thought it would be, and I'm glad I was there. It was pretty cool, you know, to unwind. It was good. It was a good unwinding, and I enjoyed it very much. You know, we got some Mediterranean food. It was pretty good. It was different. It had all that couscous and that stuff that's creamy paste looking stuff. Some of the stuff tastes really good. They had lamb on there. I didn't like that at all. It wasn't seasoned. They had rose petal water. It tasted like roses to me. My daughter said it tastes like lotion, so I don't know. They should have had Mediterranean people working in the back. They didn't. They had, just like at the chicken place at Louisiana's Fried Chicken, they got Spanish people working in the back. They need to have people from Louisiana working in the back of Louisiana Fried Chicken, and they need to have Mediterranean people working at the Mediterranean restaurant. Anyway, I enjoyed the rose petal water. I hope it wasn't lotion. And then they had lemon mint tea, and we got ready to leave. They had some of the coffee that come in a cup that's the size of a thimble that I seen the guys drinking on First 48. The guys, they got a coffee the size of a thimble, you know. I guess it's supposed to be real strong. The coffee, it tastes like it had ginger in it or something. They had the soft music playing. They said, eat all you want, eat all you take, whatever the saying is. Anyway, whatever you put on your plate, you had to eat. If you didn't eat, they charged, eat everything, and you made excessive waste, they charged $9. And the plates was $20-something. Before I got there, I was gonna go to Burger King. We should have went to Burger King for what, 15? We could have saved a little bit money for about, you know what, burger, what, about $15 these days, a little bit less. But anyway, we got fat over there in the Mediterranean, and I enjoyed it. They had the soft music. I enjoyed coming out here to the football game and watching the kids, watching Isaiah out here. You know, it was refreshing. Went to his house, fixed his basketball globe, put it up. He dunking in the basketball globe, put it up high so he can't dunk it anymore. And I put it up real high so that it's like it is at the gym. So he can't dunk anymore. If he can, that'd be great. He'll be a next Jordan, but I don't think he can. It's up as high as it is at the gym, so he can do more shooting. He need to practice shooting now. So everybody out there have a blessed day. I'll holler at y'all later. Them guys. Man in the fucking rain. This ain't no championship game.